arrived at my villa about an hour ago. I was there sweating. I couldn't figure out how to turn on the air conditioner, and it's a new build property. So over here we have our amenities, our pool, Wi-Fi, co-working space, and so the Wi-Fi is not working, so I can't get in touch. I can't get on the internet. So the good thing is we have a little store up here, and I was able to buy some like essential stuff that I needed for the villa. I'm gonna try to find a place to eat and call my family back home. Here we are in Tulum. Vacation starts. It's my husband. He came by himself, and while he was here, he even bought a bike, and it's inside the house, but it got a flat tire the last day he was here. So yay me, I get to walk everywhere. As you can see, I just live off of one of the main roads, bus stop. I walked 30 minutes from the bus stop with my backpack and everything. It's because I was being too cheap to take a taxi. I actually don't like to negotiate with the taxi guys here. They're not the best. Even Mexican people don't like the taxi guys. So I try not to mess with them if I don't need them. I mean, I have no place to be, so I don't mind walking and thinking and listening to music or listening to my book or whatever I've got to do. Hopefully I can walk somewhere that can fix the bike. I can walk the bike somewhere, but for now, I'm gonna try to find something to eat. Hey guys, long time no see. I am Mila, the housekeeper, for those of you who haven't met me yet. And right now I'm in beautiful Tulum, Mexico at my villa, where I made an investment purchase with the money I bought cleaning Airbnbs. So this is my Airbnb house. There's a lot going on here. I haven't posted since January. I feel like I just had a writer's block. I'm taking the time now to figure out what I want to do, but I'm here just relaxing. I just want to tap back into my creativity. I want to film. I've got to edit. That's what I'm here to do. I've got to repair a bike. Later on today, I have I believe he's a real estate agent who's gonna come by, check out the villa, and look for long-term tenants. Earlier last week, I broke my tooth, grinding my teeth in my sleep, which is a separate problem. So I made an appointment in another city called Playa del Carmen, which is an hour away. It's a beautiful city, and I'm probably gonna hang out the rest of the day after I get my tooth fixed. But while I'm here in Tulum, as I said, I just plan on creating. So with that said, you guys haven't seen me in a long time. When it comes to this channel, Mila the Housekeeper, there are going to be some changes. I'm going to make it mainly an Airbnb channel where you come and you learn everything about Airbnb. There is still some work to do and still some filming that I've got to do for Airbnb cleanings and the business. So I can't wait to share those with you guys coming up in this new year, 2025, which is in a month. And just wanted to give you guys a quick life update. Even though I haven't been posting on my YouTube channel, we are still doing well in the Airbnb cleaning business. Of course, with the economy, everything has gone down. On every scale, everything's gone down. And it's okay. Everybody's kind of slowed down. The economy was kind of set up this way for us to slow down when inflation went up like twice last year, or was it earlier this year? I can't even remember. We've reduced down a lot. We were in a bunch of different cities, and then we condensed down, but now we're going back to more cities. So you'll see us. I'm in the works of creating partnerships. Creating partnerships in the Airbnb cleaning space is a very interesting thing to do, but we will work it out. I'll figure it out. Just like I do Airbnb cleaning, this is not the only thing that I do. I am now starting a new channel for those of you. Do you hear those birds? So beautiful out here. I'm going to start another channel, which is a channel about entrepreneurship, lifestyle, and personal development. Because for me to get to where I am right now, for me to even invest in a property in Mexico, for me to be able to make over $500,000 my second year in business, when my first year I was lollygagging and I didn't think it was going to be anything, and I made $30,000 the first year, just keeping the roof over my head. I feel like there's easier ways to get to this step, and obviously I'm unstoppable, so I am gonna keep going. The thing about it is as I want to grow in business, I have to grow as a person, because what got me here won't get me there. So everything that I knew that got me to this place is not gonna get me to $1 million or $10 million or $100 million or $500 million. I've got to figure out a way how I can get there. And this is the journey I am on. This is the journey I'm on. And I'd like to take you guys on the journey with me. I believe that there is no limit. There is no limit. They say the sky's the limit. There is no limit. So I'm on a quest to figure out how to live the life that I want to live. And I want to help everybody figure out how they can live the life that they want to live. I believe it's possible. I believe it's palpable. I believe it's attainable. A couple years ago, I came here. I'm getting a little emotional because I was so broke. I think it was like in 2016. And one of my very good friends, he let me sleep on his couch for 2 months. And I hadn't been on vacation for a while. And I didn't plan on going on vacation because I didn't have any money to spend on vacation. Like, I wanted to be self-sufficient and build a business. And there's no time to be hanging around and going on vacation if you don't got the money, if you're going to put your vacation on a credit card. So he paid for my ticket to Mexico. I mean, it's not an arm and a leg, but it was thoughtful. And he brought me out here for the first time, and I met some of his friends, 2 ladies. One of them actually lives in Tulum, and I'll see her later on this week. And another friend of his, they're both business women. One of them lives in Cancun, and the other one lives here in Tulum. And I just, at the time, it wasn't really even on my radar to have an investment property in Mexico. It's just so crazy how life works, just because you believe in yourself. And it doesn't hurt that other people believe in you too. Anyway, I'm gonna have the link below of my new channel. Please join me over there. If you guys are interested on learning how to not only develop your Airbnb cleaning business, but if you have another business that you're working on, if you just happen to find me and you just like me, but now you're ready to grow and, do your own thing. I think entrepreneurship is so important. There are so many people who are like, well, I don't have the funds to be able to fly anywhere I want to get this or that done. Well, who says you can't? You say you can't. You're the only one who says you can't. So I want to empower people. I want to talk to you guys. I want to not only you go on the journey with me, but I want to show you that I'm going to do this. I'm going to show you that I'm going to get all the way up there. Who knows? I don't even know if I want to put a number to it. But I'm already successful, to be quite honest. To be quite honest, I was successful when I was able to make money from an idea. That's when I became successful. When I had one little idea that I had in my head, and I said, I'm gonna make this into something. And honestly, it was a long road because I didn't even want to make this business something. It was a mentor that I found, and he said, you need to make this business into something because people are calling you for it. and I got myself structured. And I don't mean an LLC structure. I got that too, but I mean systems. If this problem happens, what's gonna happen so that this problem never happens again? That kind of thing a lot of people need in their business. And that's the kind of stuff that I wanna talk about. I'm gonna be talking about entrepreneurship, lifestyle, and self-development, but I'm gonna do it in this vlog style way, my kind of living life type of way. So I'm gonna show you guys the real stuff, the real deal. Like, you know, I want to one day fly to Paris and go to Cartier and buy myself that freaking $20,000 watch. Like, it's happening. It's happening. It's happening. So I want you guys to see how it happened. I feel like I am real enough. I'm real enough to show you guys game. Okay, so that's what I want to do. I want to show you guys game. I want to show you guys what I'm doing. I want to show you guys what you can do. That's what I want. All right, so join me over on my new YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys back here for the next Mila the Housekeeper Airbnb industry videos. The rest of my trip here will be filmed for my new channel. So I'll see you guys over there. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go over to my new channel. And if you haven't liked and subscribed this channel, please do. See you guys on the other side.